Hyundai Staria 2022 model has officially docked in Southeast Asia, with the first destination being the Thai markets. In the Thai market, Hyundai Staria is distributed with two versions, S and SEL. Powering the Hyundai Staria 2022 in Thailand is a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, 4 cylinders, combined with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This engine block produces a maximum capacity of 177 PS and maximum torque of 431 Newton meters. The new Staria has been dubbed a purpose-built vehicle (PBV) by Hyundai. The car has futuristic exterior design with a rather bold front end thanks to the thin and long LED daytime running lights that run across the front of the car, unlike the MPV models on the market. Hyundai designers have also equipped the Staria with a low and wide grille, while LED headlights are located on either side of this grille. Customers in Thailand have 3 exterior paint colors to choose from, including shimmering silver, graphic grey metallic, and abyss black. The more advanced version is equipped with 18-inch wheels. The base S version uses 17-inch wheels, parametric pixel LED tail lights, and an electric tailgate. Hyundai Staria 2022 has a wheelbase of 3,273 mm, an overall length of 5,253 mm, a width of 1,997 mm, and a height of 1,990 mm. Moving inside, the interior of the Hyundai Staria is offered with 2 color options, main black or two-tone black beige. Hyundai says the interior of the Staria is inspired by the lounge of a cruise ship. The car is equipped with a digital instrument cluster with a size of up to 10.25 inches behind the steering wheel and is floating on the dashboard, a button-shaped electronic gear shift lever, and a touchscreen infotainment system, 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. In addition, the interior of the car is also provided with a 12-volt power outlet, 7 USB ports, and a wireless phone charger. Hyundai aims to sell 10,000 units of MPV Hyundai Staria annually in Thailand. After Thailand, this model will continue to be introduced in other markets in Southeast Asia.